Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to hide your profile on the Naukri.com website. Okay, so let's get started. Whenever you are using the Naukri.com to apply for the job, and you will be updating your profile every day in order to get the calls from the recruiters or from the talent acquisition from the various companies. Okay, so once you get your job, like you will decide to hide your profile on the Naukri.com website in order to in order to stop receiving the calls from the recruiters, because like you have already decided to join one of the company and you don't want to receive any more calls from the recruiters. Okay, so in this particular video I'm going to show you like how you can hide your profile on the Naukri.com website. Okay, so let's see how you can hide. So once you log into your Naukri profile, on the top here you can see your profile picture. Okay, and next to that here you can see the three lines. Okay, so just click on those three lines. So once you click on those three lines, if you just scroll down here you can see the settings option. So click on that settings option. So once you click on settings, so here you can see the two different options. Okay, so first let's see easily personalize your email notification and the privacy settings by telling us how urgently are you looking for a job. Okay, if you are immediately looking for a job, which is recommended for the candidates who are actively looking for the job opportunities. Okay, suppose if you have selected the first option, like that's a default option, like that means you are looking for the job, like there you will be getting the daily recommendation, job recommendations, frequent job updates, promotional emails, jobs and the messages from the recruiters, and who viewed your profile visible to all the recruiters and for all the companies. Okay, so that is the selected option. And suppose if you have stopped looking for the job, that means like you are not actively looking for the job. That means like here you can select the second option. Just click on this select option, this radio button. So once you click on that radio button, like you are not looking for the job anymore. Okay, so that means like you are not actively looking, but still you are open for the opportunities. Okay, and the last option here you can see like not looking for the job right now. This will stop all the communications from the recruiters, Naukri and the recruiters. Your profile will be completely deactivated. When you log in, your profile will become active again and you will start receiving the emails from the Naukri. So that means like just click on this particular read more option. And once you just scroll down, so here you can see your account will be deactivated, so that means like you're not looking for the job. Okay, so here you can see the down arrow symbol, just click on this. Okay, so here you can see the deactivate till next login, and the next option is delete account. Okay, so what I recommend is like you can just select the first option like deactivate till next login. Okay, so that is the best option what I would say, because if you just delete your profile like, and again if you want to create the profile means like again it's a time consuming, and again you will have to start everything from scratch. Okay, so what I would recommend is like deactivate till next login. That means like your profile will be hidden till you next login to the Naukri.com website. Okay, so here there are three options. The first option is immediately you are looking for the job, that's a default option. And the second option is not looking for the job, but not actively looking, but open for the opportunities. That means like you are not actively looking for the job, but still if you get some of the best opportunities, like you will be ready to grab it. Okay, and the last option is you're not looking for the job at all. Okay, suppose if you're not looking for the job at all, like what I said is like you can just go to this particular option, your account will be deactivated for, just click on this and here you can select the deactivate till next login. Okay, but if you're really interested to delete your account permanently means you can just click on the second option and you can just delete it. Okay, so this is how you can hide your profile on the naukri.com. Okay, okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.